Okay, I'm going to do a sort of trick demonstration here. Okay, so I'm going to have a triangle which is of rather peculiar dimensions. It's going to be 2, 3, 6, and I want to work out what that angle there is. So that's side A, B, and C. Actually, I'll write it out again. It's C, A, and B, and that angle there, I don't know. So let's write out the cosine rule again. Always start by writing it out. A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC times cos A. So that tells me that cos A equals B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. Right, and we know A, B, and C because I've given you them there. So let's just stick them in. Equals, there's a top and a bottom, B squared is 36 because it's B squared, plus C squared, which is 4 because that's 2 2's are 4, minus A squared, which is 9 because 3 3's are 9, over 2 times B, which is 6, times C, which is 2. So 2 6s are 12, times 2 is 24. 36 plus 4 is 40, take away 9 is 31. So that's cos A. Cos A is 31 over 24. So cos A equals 31 divided by 24. Where's my calculator? There it is. There it is. 31 over 24 equals 1.29. So A equals arc cos 1.29. Let's work out what the calculator says. Oh, we've got it here. So we just go inverse cos, which is this one here. Ah, invalid. And I'm not sure if you heard that on the recording, but I got a big sort of error bong on my earphones here. That's giving us an error. Let's just have a look at my graph of the cosine function. We can see that the cosine function is limited between -1 down here and +1 up here. It never gets smaller than -1 and it never gets bigger than +1, which is why we can't have this. This is kind of no bad. It can't happen. So what's gone wrong? Let's just have a look at our triangle again. It was 2, 3, and 6. Well, hang on a minute. Even if that 2 and that 3 were in a perfectly straight line, 6 is longer than that. There is no way you can have that triangle because that 6, it looks like this. It looks like that. It can't possibly join up. I'll draw that again. It looks like that's 6, that's 2, and that's 3. Maybe a little bit longer, 3. There's no way that and that point can touch. They can't close. They can't close. So the cosine rule is being helpful here. It's saying there's no answer, and there's no answer because there's no triangle that you can possibly construct with sides 2 and 3 and 6, which is kind of quite awesome, really. I think that's quite nice. The cosine rule is showing us stuff about how triangles work, which is quite nice. I like that. I'm going to stop there.